Dear student, previously we have seen the balancing of redox reactions. You know, there are the two methods to use the balance chemical equation for the redox reaction. First one is the oxidation number method, and second is the half reaction method, or it is also called as the ion electron method. Now, first method, that is the oxidation method, to balance the chemical equation, that are the seen in previous lecture. That is the number of steps we already seen the previous lecture. Now today we will see the redox, or sorry, half reaction method, that is also called as the ion electron method, to balance chemical equation. Now this is the second method to balance the chemical equation, and there are the some number of several steps, basic steps. First, one by one, to balancing the redox reaction. First steps, to assign oxidation number to the species in the reaction. Second step, to find out or find the substance oxidized and the substance reduced. Third steps, write half reaction for the oxidation and the half reaction of the reduction. Means write the half reaction of. Fourth one, balance the atoms that change in the half reaction. Fifth step, to determine the electrons transferred and balance the electrons between the half reactions. Next one, combine the half reaction and balance the remaining atoms. And seven is, check your work, means the reaction, and make sure that both the atoms and the charges balanced. These are the number of steps to the balancing the chemical equation. Next point, redox reactions and the electrode potential. Redox reactions and the electrode potential. We noted that displacement reaction can be looked upon a redox reaction. Now consider the following displacement reaction: Zn plus copper ion, that gives the Zn ions plus copper. Here Zn gets oxidized to Zn plus ion, and copper ions get reduced to copper. A direct transfer of electron from zinc atom to cupric ion takes place in this case. Now above reaction, which clear that the electron transfer from Zn atom to copper 2 plus ion can be demonstrated by carrying out two half reaction in two separate containers, as shown in a below Daniel figure. Now first reaction, Zn, that is solid, that gives Zn plus 2 plus 2 electron, that is a oxidation half reaction. In this reaction, the loss of electron. Second reaction, copper 2 plus 2 electron, that gives the copper, that is a reduction half reaction. It means gain of electron. Now, oxidation and reductions occur simultaneously in the cell or the reaction. In this Daniell cell, in which electricity is generated by a redox reaction, and that redox reaction is as shown in figure. The potential developed between two electrodes, anode and the cathode, negative and the positive electrode, is called the electrode potential. Means electrode potential is developed between the two electrodes. The reaction associated with an electrode is called the electrode reaction, and the chemical species are linked by transfer of electrons from redox couple. Now, redox couple. Then see this Daniell cell. Set up the Daniell cell. They are the two containers. One container having the zinc sulfate, and second container having the copper sulfate solutions. You know, zinc sulfate container, zinc, which gives the zinc plus ions plus 2 electron, and in a copper sulfate solution, copper 2 plus 2 electron, that gives the copper ions. Simultaneously, the oxidation and reduction reactions are occurred. That current is flow from the anode to that cathode. Now that is the one reaction. Which reaction? Redox reaction simultaneously. Now the another one is the what is meant by the standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential means what? A potential associated with an electrode is known as the electrode potential. But if the concentration of each species taking part in a electrode reaction is a unity, which means that any gas at 1 atmospheric pressure, and further the reaction is carried out at 298 Kelvin, then the potential of each electrode is called the standard electrode potential, and it is denoted by the E0. In short, the standard electrode potential means what? The concentration of each species which having the or electrode reaction is unity. Pressure is at 1 atmosphere pressure, and the temperature is the 198 Kelvin. That is the standard electrode, the potential. Then what is the significance of the E0? One is a negative. E means that the redox couple is a stronger reducing agent than the hydrogen couple, and a positive E means that the redox couple is a weaker reducing agent than the hydrogen couple. Then what is the significance of E0 value? The electrode reaction considered for the electrode potential is a reduction reaction. Therefore, value and sign of standard electrode potential is a measure of tendency of active species in the electrode reaction to remain in the oxidized or the reduced form. Now, the that a negative or E0 means that is redox couples, and the E is a stronger reducing agent than the hydrogen couple, and the large negative value E0 means that redox couple is a stronger reducing agent, and more positive value of E0 means the redox couples is the oxidizing the E couple or agent. Now, for example, there are some example: oxidized form and reduced form, and that which having the standard electrode potential. Now, for example, F2 plus 2 electron, that gives the F minus, which having the standard electrode potential is the 2.87 volt. Another H2O2 plus 2H plus 2 electron, that gives the H2O, and which having the 1.78 volt. Now there are the some example which having the standard electrode potential. Now that is the decreasing one from top to bottom. Now these are the some points included in the standard electrode potential and the redox reaction. Now this is about the end of this chapter. Okay, students. Okay, thank you.